Roller Champions is finally doing cross play or cross invite on 16th of August. I'm gonna show you proof, so stay tuned. If we go to their official Discord server, we can see that they are saying this is not a drill. Cross invite is coming in 6 days. Look out for title update on Tuesday, August 16th. So set those timers and tell your friends to start practicing. PS, the endgame season timer will be extended this week. So we're finally going to have cross play in Roller Champions. I'm gonna show you how to invite friends on Nintendo, PS, PC, and every other platform that I have. Stay tuned, subscribe with the bell on, and see you next one. Peace out, my home. Royal Champions. PS, this is PS, the in-game sesh. Tell your friends to start pat. This is not a drill. Discord server, as you can see, it's if you go to the Discord server.